Humanity once believed itself to be a lonely island in the universe. We marched forward alone, created, conquered, yet never connected with the source of our being. We measured stars with science and filled voids with desire, only to lose our way at the crossroads of civilization. War tore the earth apart, greed devoured resources, and loneliness gnawed at the soul. 5 millennia of thought and philosophy have yet to answer one timeless question. Why do we exist? And where are we truly meant to go? When Einstein gazed at the stars, when Lao Tzu questioned the chaos, when countless souls lay sleepless at night, the answer was always hidden in the deepest folds of the cosmos. Now, a revelation across time and space quietly arrives. World Oneness Theory unveils the deepest secret of creation. The universe is not a lifeless presence, but a majestic poem of the self-realization of primordial awareness. The landscapes we see are but reflections of the mind. Each breath is a yin-yang symphony dancing with the stars. Yet within this cosmic harmony, we have mistaken our own role. It turns out pain was never truly real. It is a phantom born from the misrecognition of life. We are not prisoners of the flesh, but existence measured by the cosmos itself, experiencing reality through its infinite dimensions. All things share one origin. You and I are already one. Conflict and division are merely dreams we've yet to awaken from. When humanity lays down its weapons, lets go of survival-based competition, and learns to rewrite civilization through self-realization and actualization. War turns into co-dance and rivalry becomes co-creation. A harmonious world begins with resonance of the heart. Even a speck of dust speaks the fullness of existence. This is not utopia. It is the everyday life of the awakened. We finally understand. Happiness is not a distant end, but the awakening within each moment. To eat is to taste the grace of creation. To work is to weave the music of life. Even the ripple of a raindrop is the universe's tender confession. Now, humanity stands at the threshold of a new epoch. To open this book is to open a door. Behind that door lie the answers to 5,000 years of inquiry. It is the scientist's unfinished question and the Buddha's silent smile. It is the shared epic we write together, an ode to oneness. World Oneness Theory. It is not a book of philosophy, but the ignition of a civilizational leap. It wasn't you who opened the book. It has been waiting for your return. Are you willing to become the spark of light in this leap? To walk this journey of transformation yourself, check the pinned link in the comments to get World Oneness Theory. Join awakened souls around the world and ignite that light within.